Hello everyone, how to do it? Back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use PixAi app. So when you install this app, then you have to create your account. You can create your account with Google. It's really easy. Then you have to give your username and you have to choose your level, and after that you will get the interface like this. So it's not totally free, like you can get here gallery, like how it looks like. And if you want to get the generator, then tap here the plus icon. Then you have to give here join membership text prompt typing here like vintage. Okay, prompt helper. You can also take helper prompt. Hakuna outlook, you can see. After that, generate it. So how it looks like, it takes few time. So it's already almost ready to see. So you can see how it looks like. So you can regenerate it. You have to give the add character image reference. So you can try all of this, and also animation is available if you like. Okay, if you want this one, then you can use this as a reference. So it's your profile, like you need some credit, and after that if you join membership, then you have to buy the package. So today's no more, and see you in the next video.